students, now I am going to derive Euler equation. Okay, Euler's equation. First we have to derive Euler equation. After deriving Euler equation, you can go for Bernoulli equation. In the last class, I have already described different forms of energy, that is pressure energy, kinetic energy and datum energy. Sum of all the energy is constant, that is the Bernoulli equation. So how this energy equation have come from the basic fundamental that I am going to derive now, that comes from the Euler equation. Okay, directly you cannot find it out the Bernoulli equation, so first we have to derive Euler equation. Okay. See now, pressure force and P plus dB, this is having length ds and of course area is dA. We are going to consider a differential cylindrical control volume. Cylindrical means like this. Okay, cylindrical control volume. Flow is along the streamline. Remember, flow is along the streamline. Flow is along the streamline. Okay, so now pressure this one, and what about elevation? Let us call it as Z from the basic reference. Okay, and this height is dz. Okay, now what is about the weight of the fluid is also there. That weight of the fluid is W, that will be equal to rho g. Rho g is W. Okay, that is weight density. Rho g is weight density into ds dA. Okay, rho g is weight density. Weight density means we have to multiply by volume, so we will get the weight. Okay, and that is at angle theta. Okay, so let us write like this. Consider a differential control volume. Differential control volume in the form of cylinder. In the form of cylinder. Cylinder having area dA and length ds. Okay, flow is along the streamline. Flow is along a streamline. Okay, flow is along the streamline. Now this Euler's equation considers only two forces. One is this pressure force, another is gravity force. Gravity force. Pressure force and gravity force. Only two forces, not other forces we are going to use. So pressure and gravity forces, so these are the assumptions. Flow is ideal. Flow is along the streamline. Euler equation considers only pressure and gravity forces. They are the assumptions. Okay, now see here. Net force in the direction of motion will be equal to, see here, that is P into dA force. This force, opposite force is minus P plus dP, okay, into dA, and this force, weight of the fluid of the body also acts like this in this direction only. So it is minus rho g ds dA into cos theta, because this component will go to this like this component will be converted like this, so it is cos component. Okay, now that is net force. Okay, so net force will be equal to, see, PdA and PdA will get cancelled, so minus dP dA minus rho g ds dA into cos theta. Okay, now from this triangle, see here, from this triangle like this, triangle is like this is angle theta. Okay, this is 90 degree, this is dz, this is ds. Okay, okay, so cos theta is equal to b by h, b is equal to base dz, b by h is ds. So see here, ds cos theta is dz, ds cos theta is minus dP dA minus rho g dA, rho g dA. Then what will happen? ds cos theta is nothing but dz. So net force, actually net force, let us call it as equation 1. Now we know F is equal to mass into acceleration. Okay, so force we have find it out, net force F. Now mass is rho, we know rho mass density, so it is ds into dA, that is mass. Area is, see here, area is dV by dt. So dV by ds into ds by dt. So ds by dt is nothing but here V, actually V ds, displacement with respect to time, velocity into dV by ds. Okay, so acceleration is V into dV by ds. Okay, so ds will get cancelled here, and we know F is equal to mass into acceleration. So F is nothing but here minus dP dA minus, that is net force is equal to minus, that is this one terms also minus and this one also minus rho p dP dA into rho g dA into dz. Okay, will be equal to this term rho dA into V into dV. Okay, now see here, dA everywhere, so dA can be cancelled out. Okay, so since this is negative term, we can take all these terms to the side, this will become positive. So dP by dP plus rho g dz plus rho into V into dV. Oh, now divide by rho everywhere, rho. Okay, so what will be there? See here, this will get cancelled. So this will be equal to, this equal to 0. Okay, now dP by rho plus V into dV plus G into Gz is equal to 0. This is differential form, and this differential form is called Euler equation. Okay, this is called Euler equation. This is Euler's equation. Okay, now Euler equation, see how we are getting that differential form is there, dP by rho plus V into dV plus G into dz is equal to 0. That means after integrating this equation we will get the Bernoulli equation. Okay, that I will take up in next class. Thank you.